Yes, sir. 20,000 travel documents. Very good. And you got yours right here.
Yes, sir.
Passport.
Okay.
I need to see your travel documents.
Yes.
You're all good to go.
Yes.
Have a good one.
Thank you. Hello. Hi.
We're here for the glory, right?
Yes.
Okay. Yep, just open up morning. Good to go.
Thank you.
Have fun.
Thank you.
You got your check. Keep it out,
Yes,
honey.
thank you.
so much.
This is a diamond and suites. This is an excess I can be in.
Oh, okay. Captain's Lounge.
You know, we go through the other elevator, it's a card, and I just want to be in 60 times to other people get out.
Centrina. Thank you.
I should have got me a wheelchair.
DeeDee, don't.
My dear.